guys, TechGamer69 here, and as you see we have the Samsung Series 5 LED TV 32-inch plasma, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys today, so hope you enjoy it. As you've seen, we haven't had much unboxing videos with me lately, so this is my first one, and yeah, and I won't be talking much because I just need to unbox it, if you know what I mean. So I'll start with the unboxing. I need to be a bit giant, don't I? I'm not great with unboxing like TVs. You can't just let you know. Alright. So this just came about 10 minutes ago, and I was really psyched to be getting a new TV because sure than my old TV, it's not the greatest of TVs. Alright. Alright. Okay, here we have the bit where the TV kind of stands on, the base. So I'll just pop this down here and we'll set that up first, obviously, because it is. Okay, so I think here we have the controller and the plug with batteries, so for the controller, obviously. So if you guys can see that, for the controller, plug and batteries with some screws. Okay, I'm going to try and get the TV.
Go test it. So it didn't drop.
As you see, we've got Marge right here.
Okay, alright, it's cold. So let's put it flat with this there for a minute. Don't let go of it. So I'm just trying to help him out so he doesn't drop it, but I'm sure he won't.
If he doesn't drop it, then that'll be underneath.
Right, I'm sorry.
Okay.
So hold it.
So sorry I didn't introduce Marty Boy. Here's Marty Boy. Hey guys. Alright, oh my god.
That was nice.
Okay, let's put my fingerprints on it.
Right, hold that there, let's get
Alright.
It does say the box recommended 2 people. So that's what we do.
Alright, determine the other part of it.
What? This part. Put it on.
I'm pretty sure that is.
Yep, try. Wait, find a hole.
Oh, shit, man.
Wait. Don't drop it, don't let go of it. Don't let go of it yet, I need to put this bar on. Don't let go of it yet, I need to put this bar on.
Right, get on.
Structure manual. It's kind of confusing how to get this bar on, but this is actually his involvement to help him out.
Yeah.
So it doesn't need to go on the floor.
Sure
Okay, right. There's screws here.
Okay, I think that would be helpful.
So we will just pause the video and you'll see it set up. Like just turn it on. So back in a minute, guys.
This is the TV all hooked up with my laptop right here. As you can see, it's got Minecraft on running, and my mouse I got from Marty Boy and my other mouse. But this is it. This is the graphics with the HDMI and the Xbox. So it's great, and Marty Boy is filming.
So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.
It's 250 quid in the shop, so you guys should go over and get it. Me and Marty's just put a bit of Black Ops on it. It's fantastic, so you guys should always remember to.
Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.